Hi, I'm Brady. This is my 2018 bike check. Stars, I have 10-inch ODI long neck grips. I cut off the mushroom flaps because they're fucking stupid. I have 2011 Justin Inman Pro Signature 8.25 bars. Painted chrome, which looks ugly, but it works. I have a GT stem with We the People bolts, like 2010 or something, so they're really old. I have a FSA headset and compression cap. I have some old Fiction Troop chrome bars, but the person I got them from painted them silver, so I tried to chip off the paint a little bit. I have GT tires, and I have Shadow Conspiracy tubes in them, but I thought the tires are more lighter than the Shadows. I have 2011 Justin Inman Pro Signature frame with GT Slammer seat, as well as the seat came with the sprocket and the cranks and chain. No, the chain's actually a different GT chain. I got that from when I got the frame. I have GT pedals for my old bike. I have a GT back rim with the Shadow Conspiracy back hub, with Shadow Conspiracy tubes inside, which I already said. And then I have a We the People bottom bracket. And yeah, that's my bike.
What about your spokes?
My spokes? Oh, they're just, oh yeah, I completely forgot my rims. I have a Diamondback front rim. A little rusted, that's fine. And then I have a GT rim, the spokes. So I'm guessing that the front spokes are Haro, and then these are GT, the back ones. Yeah. That's my bike.
Gang, we out here. This is my 2018 BMX bike check. Yeah, let's get into it. I'll start off with my grips. I got some waffle pattern grips. They're tan colored. Look pretty nice, super grippy. For my bar ends, I got just the bar ends that came with the grips. Get worn out super fast though. For bars, I have 9.5 Rise Fiction Troop chrome bars. Pretty litty fagitty, if you know what I mean. Bolts, these are just like Shadow Conspiracy bolts. GT stem, never changed that yet. My seat's a demolition seat. I don't know whose signature seat it is. I remembered it, but I just didn't look it up. For my frame, I just have, it's called the Verdi Theory frame, 2011 build, so it holds up pretty good. A nice burgundy type color on it. I don't have like a sealed headset. I need to get one of those. Other than that, I got a seat post. It's a Fitco, it's red. And then I got this shitty seat clamp because my seat post thing was stripped. So, and then for my forks, I have Eclat. I don't know the design. They're chrome. They're in pretty bad shape because the guy I got them from didn't take care of them. After that, I have Shadow Conspiracy tires, 60 psi, low pressure. They're Novata Strata tires, I'm pretty sure. Pretty good, like maybe 21-inch tires or something like that. And they hold up, they're super grippy. For my rims, I just have Alien Air rims. They're both purple, looking pretty nice, so. Yeah, I want to change them to black, but don't know what kind of black rims I want to get. What are they called? Spokes. They're just Colony spokes. Nipples are just like alloy nipples. I have a Mission hub. Honestly, Mission is like one of the most cheapest brands you can get for hubs, but honestly, I love it. Inner tubes are Odyssey. Same with the back, it's just a Mission hub with alloy spokes and Colony or no, Colony spokes and alloy nipples. After that, my pedals, I got some like 101 pedals. They're metal. They're super good. I don't really like plastic pedals because they wear out too fast, so I like these. My cranks, they're just like some stock cranks. I think they're like stock GT cranks. I got this PVC, or I don't know what this fucking chain is. Some half-link chain. I got it with the frame when I bought it, so pretty good. I got this, what's it called? BSD sprocket, chrome. Pretty nice, I love it. And my bottom bracket is Shadow Conspiracy. I'm pretty sure that's it. Other than my stickers, I got like Stranger stickers, King, thank you, Fuck It, Dope Shit, Verdi obviously, because that's my bike brand. Primo,